this one. Hey, there we go. Page 62, number 12. So, f of x equals 4 minus 3x plus 2 squared. So you have to do cleanup. You have to square this right here. For the love of all that's holy. You cannot just square the first term and then square the second term. It doesn't work like that. Remember what 3x plus 2 squared means? It means multiply 3x plus 2 times itself. You got all kinds of FOIL going on up in here. So that gives you 9x squared plus 6x plus another 6x plus 4, right? Because you do first times first, outside, inside, last. These two obviously you can combine. So the other thing you have to be careful of, you have 4 minus that whole thing. You have to distribute that negative to everybody in there. So I'm going to show it as a separate step. All right, that's what I have. I get 9x squared plus, oh my lord, my dog. 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. That's what you get when you square 3x plus 2. Then you got to distribute that little negative. What is she doing? Here, I'll show you my dog. Hold on. Insert. What are you doing, baby? Hey. What are you doing? I'm doing calculus. You're not helping me. You're not being a helper. Here's the other one. Hey, Ticky. You want to do calculus? Oh, she likes it. She likes it. Do you like calculus? Oh, who likes calculus? She's so excited. Okay, sorry, none of that matters. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Bye, doggy. All right, what do we got going on here? Distribute the negative. 4 minus 9x squared minus 12x minus 4 when you distribute the negative. The 4's cancel. So I have negative 9x squared. What is that? Minus 12x. That's what my function, by the time you simplify it and get all down to it, that's all you're left with. 9x squared minus 12x. Let me just double check and make sure. Oh, negative 9x squared. Sorry. Negative 12x. Let me just make sure my 4 and my negative 4 canceled. Yes. Okay, so I have to get the slope. Let me move everybody up a little bit. Let's change colors for sassiness. Slope. We have our slope formula is 2 times a times x, which for all of these problems they wanted us to use 2 for x, plus b, and b is negative 12. So I get negative 36 minus 12, so my slope is negative 48. That is ginormous. Okay, so I know my slope, it's negative 48. I know my x is 2. I need my y coordinate. So you have to go to the original equation. This, though, you can plug it in right there. Oh, sorry, that's my work email. Makes a rattlesnake. So you can just plug it in right there because negative 9x squared minus 12x is the original equation. It's just in a different format. You can use synthetic division if you want. I think it's just going to be faster here to plug in the 2. So don't forget, when you do this, if you're not going to use synthetic division, just make sure you're using order of operations. 2 squared is 4, and 4 times negative 9 is negative 36, minus 24. So we get negative 60. That's our our y value. So now you have slope, and you have your x and y. So now you can write the equation, which is y minus negative 60, so I'm going to put y plus 60. My slope is negative 48 times x minus 2. Y plus 60 equals negative 48x plus 96. And then you move that 60 over right there. Y equals negative 48x plus 36. And that's the equation of your tangent line.